Next, as we discuss about important things and exam point of view. First, nutrition definition and nutrients definitions. Nutrition, procurement of nutrients to the body of an organism is called as nutrition. Next, photosynthesis equation. It has come for 1 mark. Photosynthesis equation, right? Photosynthesis equation 6CO2 plus 12H2O in presence of chlorophyll and sunlight gives rise to C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. This is very important equation of our first lesson. It has come for examination purpose students for 1 mark. Next, there are 4 major factors that are carbon dioxide, water, light, sunlight and chlorophyll, right? These 4 are major and important factors for photosynthesis process. Carbon dioxide, water, they are very important, including light and chlorophyll. So we have some activities in this topic, in this lesson. One is the carbon dioxide, to show carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis process. This is one activity in which first aim in this activity, aim, materials and chemicals required, procedure, observations, precautions and finally conclusion or result. These all steps are important for all activities. So sometimes you may get question in annual examination for this type of questions like what are the materials required to show carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis process. Only they will ask materials. So you need to write only materials, that is enough. Sometimes they may ask a procedure for this experiment. So procedure is enough. Sometimes result, etc. So these are important things you should know about all activities. Next, sunlight is essential for plants to carry out photosynthesis process. This is also one of the important activities of the lesson. So here, aim, materials and chemicals required. Next, procedure, observations, conclusion and precautions. All these are important for each and every activity. So materials required to do this activity. Sometimes you may get question. So it carries for only 2 marks and sometimes procedure for 4 marks. If it will come for 4 marks, compulsory you need to draw the diagram. Next. Oxygen is produced. Oxygen is one of the products of photosynthesis process. This is a byproduct. So oxygen gas is produced as a byproduct of photosynthesis process in presence of light. For this purpose, we have an activity. In this activity, the aim is to show that oxygen is liberated during the photosynthesis process in presence of light. So this activity is also called as hydrilla experiment. For this activity also it is having aim, materials required, procedure, precautions, observations and conclusion. So you have to split this total activity into some steps. Each step is very important. Sometimes you may get 2 marks question or 4 marks question or 1 mark question, etc. Right? Next, heterotrophic nutrition. In this topic, we also discuss about mechanism of photosynthesis. This mechanism of photosynthesis in which we discuss about how glucose is produced in photosynthesis process by the combination of carbon dioxide and water molecules. These two are combined together and finally glucose is produced. We discuss this mechanism of photosynthesis in this topic. Mechanism of photosynthesis is divided into mainly 2 sub-phases. One is light dependent phase and second one is light independent phase. This is very important topic of our first lesson. It has come for 4 marks many times. Next, heterotrophic nutrition. In heterotrophic nutrition, we discuss about digestion in amoeba and paramecium. How do these microorganisms digest food materials? These are protozoans. Next, heterotrophic nutrition is in Cuscuta plant. It is a Convolvulaceae families plant. How does food material is digested by it and how does food it is getting food from different plants. Next heterotrophic nutrition in human beings. In human beings, we discuss about human digestive system and human digestion. Human digestive system. Human digestive system consists of many parts. Each part is having a special role in digestion of food material. Right. What parts are involved in digestive system, human digestive system? What type of food material is digested, and where the type of food material is digested? What are the products? What is the juice of certain parts of human digestive system? What are the enzymes of certain juices of certain digestive parts, etc. What happens after digestion of food material? Where does it go? What is the importance of this digested food material? Is it true that total food material digested by human digestive system? No, it is not digested at all. So some of the food material is not digested by us. So where does it go? What is it called? That also we discuss here. Next. Health aspects of human digestive system. In this topic, ulcers, next vomiting, how does it occurs, etc. Next some points, some precautions to follow to keep our digestive system healthy, etc. Next ulcers are caused due to some reasons that we discuss here. Importance of physics of fibers of digestive system, etc. Next topic is malnutrition. Malnutrition. This is also very important. Definition of malnutrition, types of malnutrition. It means protein malnutrition, calorie malnutrition, protein calorie malnutrition. Next malnutritional diseases. For example, kwashiorkor, next marasmus and obesity. These diseases and causes, symptoms, etc. Right? Next, vitamins. Malnutrition is also one of the important topics of nutrition. Types of malnutrition and diseases has come 2-3 times in annual examination for 4 marks. Next, vitamins. What are vitamins? Definitions. Next, vitamins, types of vitamins, fat soluble vitamins, water soluble vitamins, their divisions, B complex vitamins, A vitamin, D, E, K, and their chemical names or scientific names. Next, deficiency diseases, symptoms, etc. All we discuss in this nutrition.